Hey everyone, Andrew Howell here from RE/MAX Sarnia Realty. I'm super excited to tell you about my newest listing, 1304 Chudley. I'd like to tell you my top 5 favorite features of this property. And coming in at number 1 is this quiet, tricycle-friendly cul-de-sac. Coming in at number 2 is this large backyard, perfect for hanging out with the kids or relaxing at the end of the day. And coming in at number 3 are these luxurious bathrooms. And number 4 is this fabulous kitchen with Caesar stone counters, high-end appliances, and a view of the backyard. And coming in last but not least is this location. We are right at the end of a cul-de-sac in North Sarnia, right near the beach and Sunripe Fresh Market.